Hello, everybody. My name is Kurt Stubbs. I currently live in Pickerington, Ohio, which is about 12 to 15 miles east of the capital of Ohio, which is Columbus. My area of study is middle childhood education. That covers grades 4 through 9, and my concentration areas are math and social studies. What do I hope to gain from this course? Well, first and foremost, I'm hoping to gain some knowledge, some more knowledge on instructional message design so I can take those tools and those skills and transfer them in hopes of attaining a more engaging, a more rich, more deep learning environment so my students can certainly benefit from that. Second, I'm hoping to learn from each and every one of you. I hope that I can provide some great feedback for you guys as well. I'm also hoping to learn and soak up all the knowledge from Dr. Jones as well. In all of the courses I've taken so far in this program, I've found that the most deep and most rich learning has come from my peers in my classrooms through the message boards and just the discussions and things like that. What do I teach? I teach 7th grade math. I also teach advanced 7th grade math. I taught 5 periods this year. We are currently one-to-one technology, so all of our students have Google Chromebooks, so that makes it very easy to roll out technology on a day-to-day basis. We are almost completely all online in each of the 3 7th grade math classes, or each of the 3 7th grade math teachers that we have in the building. Where do I stand in regards to my knowledge of instructional message design? Well, obviously, we've done a lot with instructional design already in the 3 courses that I've taken, but when you throw in that word message in the middle of that, I feel like it's got to be content-based. It's going to be primarily new information that you want to roll out quickly to your students or a group of people, and it's usually done by a media presentation. But obviously, I'm hoping to learn more about this particular topic. Some interesting tidbits about me, I guess, would be I have a 10-week-old baby boy, Hudson James. Him and my wife, Dana, are doing fantastic. I also run a basketball podcast over here in Ohio, a high school basketball podcast called Ohio High School Hoops, Around the State podcast. So if you ever want to check that out, I do that as well. And other than that, man, I'm just hoping everybody is having a great summer, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know a lot of you and just learning and sharing our experiences with one another.